Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. Now student, I welcome you to your online classes. Now we start our work, we don't waste our time. Okay, now we continue our chapter number 14, that is the roots and flower. In this chapter I already explained you whole chapter. Now student, but before start writing work, we do a quick revision. In this chapter, I was explain you about the roots. The name of the chapter is roots and flower. In this chapter, we only study about the roots and flowers. Now the roots, where the roots found in the plant, in the trees, clear. Two types of roots also we explain. But before that, I explained you about the two system that is found in the plant, root system and shoot system. We include in root system, that is the non-visible part of the plant, because it found above the soil, means underground the soil. And the root system, now the second is shoot system. We include in the shoot system so many parts of the plant, that is stem, branches, leaves, flower, fruit, birds. These parts we include in the shoot system. Clear student? Now after that we discuss about the two types of roots that is found in the different types of trees and plants. First is fibrous root and second one is taproot. Clear? Taproot found in the big trees. Now the fibrous root found in the small plants. Clear? After that we discussed about the special root that is found in the special uh, trees and plants, and they are functioning extra for the plants, means the roots modify them according to atmosphere and the their condition of the environment, and do extra work, or it give the extra effort for the survival of the plant and trees. Those are found in that zone. Clear? That root is special roots is, first root is prop root. Now the second one is breathing roots. Now the third one is propagating root. Fourth one is water storing roots. Now the fifth one is buttress root. These are the special roots. After that I explain you about the structure of the flower. How many parts we found in the flower? That is stamen. First we start, that is the receptacle. After that sepal. Now the two parts, we divide the flower into two groups, that is the male and female. The male part is stamen. Now the female part is carpel. We include in the male part, that is the stamen. The stamen made by the two parts, that is the anther and filament. Now if we come on the female part basically divided into three parts. First is ovary, style and stigma. These are the three parts of the female part, that is the carpel. Okay, so these things given in this chapter, and all the next thing is uses of the flower, how the people use the flower. That thing we already discussed in this chapter. Now student, come to the writing part, that is the new words of the chapter number 14. What is that? New word. New words of the chapter number 14. First we write, that is the shoot. SHOOT. How you write this thing? Write the date. In the first line write chapter number. After that chapter name. Leave here one line and start writing. Heading new words. Shoot. 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 Write first letter small. First word write small. Clear? Now the second one is root. R-O-O-T. Root. Shoot. This is the name of the system. Those are found in the plant and trees. Now the root. Root is a part of plant and tree that found below the soil. Clear? This is the second new word. First one is shoot, second one is root. After that, write the third one, fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous root. Fibrous roots. This is the type of root that is found in the small plant, that is herb, shrub. Clear? And I also explained the structure of the fibrous root on the explanation time. Fibrous root. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous roots. Now the fourth one is TAP, tap. Tap roots. R-O-O-T-S. Tap root. This is the second types of root. TAP, tap, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Now the fifth one is P-R-O-P, prop roots. R-O-O-T-S, prop roots. First S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Now the second R-O-O-T, root. Third number F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Fibrous roots. Now the fourth number T-A-P, tap. R-O-O-T-S, tap roots. Fifth one prop roots. P-R-O-P, R-O-O-T-S, prop roots. Prop root, this is the special types of root that is found in the peepal tree, banyan tree, because these roots found come out from the branches and from the stem, and it come down and hold the soil and give the extra support the plant. These types of root are called prop roots. Now the sixth number is breathing roots. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, breathing roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Breathing roots. What is the meaning of the breathing root? Breathing is related to our respiratory system. This word related to respiratory system is breathing, सांस लेना. So these roots modify them according to atmosphere and habitat, and it works like a breathing organ. And basically these roots found in the plant, those are found in the main growth area, marshy area. Clear? Marshy area, those are totally covered with water and mud, and where these types of plants found and their roots come out for the breathing on the ground. Clear? So we give them breathing roots. Now the 7th number, propagating roots. P-R-O-P-A-G-A-T-I-N-G, propagating Now the eighth number, water storing root. Water storing roots. Now the next one is buttress root. Buttress root. So now the sixth number is breathing roots. 7 number propagating root. PROPAGATING. Propagating roots. ROOTS. These roots, propagating roots, basically found in the strawberry and cherry trees. Okay, and from the top of these roots have a knot. Clear? Like this. If we cut them and grow any other place, so we found a new tree. Okay, so this is called propagating roots. PROPAGATING. Propagating roots. Now the eighth number, water storing roots. WATERSTORING. Storing roots. 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 Water storing roots found in the plants are we are growing in the summer season. That crop we are growing in the summer season. So these plants store water for the plant to face a difficult condition of heavy sun rays. That time that these plants use that water, means it store the water in the roots. Clear? The example is pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Basically we grow these fruits or these crops in the summer season. हम हमेशा जो वाटरमेलन होता है, मस्कमेलन होता है, पंपकिन जो होते हैं, उनको हम किस मौसम में उगाते हैं? गर्मी के दिनों में. तो दैट प्लांट स्टोर दी वाटर. ये पौधे अपने अंदर पानी को स्टोर करके रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज बटरेस रूट्स. BUTRES. बटरेस रूट्स. ROOTS. Roots. Buttress roots basically found in the tropical rainforest area, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, and the soil is less there. The quantity of the soil is less. बहुत कम मिट्टी होती है, but we found very big trees there and very long trees is there. So how the plants survive on that place? Their roots come out of the ground and spread themselves. अपने जड़ों को आसपास फैला देते हैं वो पौधे या पेड़, and hold the soil. जहाँ भी उनको मिट्टी मिलती है उसको पकड़ लेते हैं. तो this way they are spread themselves. तो name is buttress. If you want to spread butter on the bread, अगर हम बटर को ब्रेड पर फैलाएंगे तो कैसे फैलाएंगे? ऐसे फैलाएंगे ना पूरी जगह पे. तो सेम वे these plants spread their roots. ऐसे ही ये प्लांट अपनी रूट्स को फैला देते हैं. क्लियर? नाइन नंबर. नाउ द 10 number is receptacle. 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 What is the meaning meaning of the receptacle? This is the first part of the flower. It whole parts of the flower. Clear? जो स्टिक होती है ना, डंडी होती है ना फ्लावर की, that is called receptacle. receptacle, receptacle. Now once again revise it. First number SHOOT, shoot. ROOT, root. Third number fibrous, FIBROUS, ROOTS, fibrous root. Fourth number TAP, tap, ROOTS, roots, tap roots. Now fifth number PROP, prop, ROOTS, roots, prop roots. Sixth number BREATHING, breathing roots. Seventh number PROPAGATING, propagating roots. Seven number once again PROPAGATING, propagating ROOTS, roots. Now eight number water storing, WATERSTORING, water storing, ROOTS, roots, water storing roots. Nine number buttress, BUTRESSROOTS, buttress, roots. Now 10 number receptacle, RECEPTACLE, receptacle. Now write number 11. Number 11 is sepal, 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 sepal. After that write 12, STEMAN, stamen, STEMAN, stamen. 13 number ANTHER, anther. 13 number ANTHER, anther. Now 14 filament, FILAMENT, filament. Now write number 15, carpel, CARPEL, carpel. Now once again repeat it. 11 number sepal. What is the sepal? Sepal is a part that is covered the bud. When we found a flower in the form of bud, जब हम किसी फूल को एक कली के रूप में देखते हैं, तो that part covered the all part are sepal covered the petals and all internal part of the flower. Okay, and it protect the bud. And what is the color of the sepal? The sepal we found in the green color. Okay, what is the color of the sepal? Green. And it attached with the all parts of the flower, because the receptacle give the support and the sepal hold the all parts of the flower. Clear? Now the third number stamen. What is the stamen? Stamen is the male part of a flower. Clear? And how the stamen form? कैसे बनता है stamen? Stamen basically two parts make a stamen, that is the anther and filament. Clear? This structure. This is the stamen. This is anther and this is filament. Clear? Next, third one is anther. Anther is a part of stamen. Filament. 14. Filament. Filament is also a part of stamen. Means anther and filament make a stamen. Clear? Anther and filament make main part of a flower. Clear? STEMAN, stamen. What is the stamen? Male part of a flower. Now the 13, anther, ANTHER, anther. What is the anther? Anther is a part of stamen. Now the 14, FILAMENT, filament. This is the part of stamen. Means anther and filament make a stamen. Clear? Now the 15 number, carpel. What is the carpel? Carpel is the female part of a flower. CARPEL, carpel. What is the carpel? Carpel is a female part of a flower. But if we study a female part of a flower, so we divide carpel in the 3 parts. Okay? Write next number 16. Stigma. 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 Stigma is a part of carpel. Clear? Stigma is a part of carpel. So this is the new words of the chapter number 14. First one is shoot, second one is root, third is fibrous root, fourth is step root, fifth one is prop roots, sixth breathing roots, 7 number propagating roots, 8 number water storing roots, 9 number buttress root, 10 number receptacle, 11 sepal, 12 number stamen, 13 anther, 14 number filament, 15 carpel, and 16 number is stigma. STIGMA, stigma. Now write number 17. Style, STYLE, style. 18 number ovary, OVARY, ovary. 19 number petals. Style, ovary and petals. Petals, style, ovary and stigma. 16 number stigma, style and ovary. These 3 parts make a carpel. Clear? These 3 parts make a carpel. That is the female part of a flower. Clear? Ovary, what is the function of the ovary? OVARY. Ovary produce ovule or eggs for the new flower or new seeds. Clear? Style, this is the part of a carpel and this is a tube-like structure. Clear? And stigma basically found on the upper side of the carpel. Clear? So these 3 parts make a carpel. Petals, PE 19 number, PETALS, petals. What is the petals? Petals are the colorful part of the flower. It gives the color and also give fragrance. Different types of fragrance we found in the flower. So that fragrance found in the petals. Clear? And colors also. If the color of the petals different, so we found different colors in the flower. If the petals are yellow, the color of the flower is yellow. If the petals are pink, so we say this flower, the color of the flower is pink. Okay? So it gives the color and fragrance. Clear? Now student, these are the new words of the chapter number 14. I hope you understand the chapter and whatever we wrote here, each and every word, I explained you again and again all the things, and new words I also explained you. What is the meaning of the breeding root, what is the meaning of the propagating root, all the words. If we write sepal, so what is the meaning of the sepal? If anybody asks you to give, you have to reply. Clear? अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है कि what is the sepal, सबको आंसर बताते आना चाहिए. Okay? What is the meaning of the stamen? What is the stamen? So this is the male part of a flower. What is the carpel? That it is a female part of a flower. Clear? Stigma, style and ovary. What is the meaning of these parts? Style, stigma and ovary make a female part of a flower. Clear? And how many parts of the stamen? The two parts of the stamen. What is the name of that part? Anther and filament. Clear? What is the petals? So this is the colorful part of a flower. It gives the color the flower. Clear? If anybody asks you special roots, about the special root of the plant or trees, तो you remember the name. आपको वो name बताते आना चाहिए. First is propagating root, second one is breathing root, prop root, water storing root, buttress root. Clear? These are the 5 types of special roots found in the trees and plants. And why these roots found? क्यों पाई जाती है roots? Because the plant and trees want to survive on the particular area, a particular environment. तो it modify them. ये अपने आप को उस एटमॉस्फेयर में ढालते हैं. Clear? तो for that they do some modification in their roots. Why? For the breathing, for the survive on the particular nature. Clear? Now which part hold the whole parts of the flower? If anybody asks you, which part of the flower hold the other parts of the flower? That is sepal. Sepal hold the all parts of a flower. Clear? And which part produce the eggs and ovule for the flower? That is ovary. And which part is a very stylish part of a flower? That is style. नाम से लगता है कि style है ना? Clear? And receptacle. What is the function of the receptacle? It give the extra support the sepal. Sepal को extra support देता है. Clear? And what is the function of the filament? It hold the anther and it attach with the ovary and and the sepal. Clear? And filament is a tube-like structure. It is a hollow structure. अगर हम इसको अंदर स्टडी और करेंगे ना तो फिलामेंट एक होलो स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ट्यूब जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है और स्टाइल भी वैसी ही होती है. बट this thing not given in the detailed form in this chapter. Only the parts of a flower, types of roots and special roots is given in this chapter. Clear student? Now I finish my lecture here. Only in this lecture I explain you about the new words and we wrote new words of this chapter. Okay? Only this thing. Now on next lecture we write question answer and book exercise. We completed which thing? Book exercise on the next lecture. Now this thing we do in this chapter. Okay? Clear? I hope you understand what we wrote here and what is the meaning of the particular word. Clear? Now read the chapter and write properly in your classwork notebook. Clear, student? Now I finish my lecture here. Bye.